Mr. M here. Let me show you how to track NAS100 and take advantage of the pullbacks during the week. All right, so what we got here is that we have an expanding market. Markets only expand up or down, or they move sideways. If they're moving sideways, that's in consolidation. What we want is expanding markets. So what we do is from our Monday on, we want to track the price action through expansion throughout the week. We use the Fibonacci tool to do that. So in order to catch the trades, we wait for adequate pullbacks on expansions into liquidity areas, as you can see here, which are my yellow lines. We wait for pullbacks on the hourly time frame. We get our signals and we get into it for expansion. Same thing here. We pulled the liquidity earlier in the week from the expansion early on, and we jumped in. Now you're wondering, how did we get this off the expansion? Well, this was a reversal from this week. We then reclaimed all of this price action and we showed bullish momentum with our tool here as well into our liquidity areas. Then we pulled back. Same thing with this week, is just the same situation. We waited for a market expansion down, we waited for the pullbacks, and we got in at the areas for the pullbacks to create higher lows and lower highs. Same thing here. A nice down move, boom, we caught it from the expansion down, but all that was a retracement from previous price action and on and on. All I want to see is expansion throughout the week. Once we expand, I want the pullback, what they call correction, what they call a market retracement for a continuation. All right, here's the same thing on gold, same concept. Expansion throughout the week, pullback, NFT volume, boom. Same thing here. We dropped in from this last week, measured the market expansion, showed that we had bears in the market through our tools and continuing, and we sold off. Same thing here, returned, sold off, and on and on. So market expansion, market moving sideways, or market expansion up or down, that's what we do. If you want to continue to follow the analysis, link in the bio, and jump into the Discord or follow me on Twitter. I give out analysis daily on NAS100 as far as expanding or sitting still. All right, see you on the next one.